In this video, I'll show you how to make a hollow part like this. There's multiple ways to make a 3D model. In this case, you could build each of these individual sides and the bottom, or you can do one sketch of the outer dimensions and then hollow it out. I'll show you how to do that. So I'm just going to start a new part, sketch tab, sketch, choose a plane, and we'll try to build it around this origin just to get used to that. And remember, blue lines mean that they're not constrained. So as you dimension it, what you're trying to do is get all the lines to turn black. Now it looks like we have all the dimensions on here, but what the software is lacking, and you can see down here it says underdefined, what it's lacking is the dimensions to the origin here. So that's simple enough just to, for example, add a dimension that way, and we'll add one sideways, and if we want to put it in the center, that works. Now everything is black, so it's fully constrained. Let's go ahead and extrude that, go to features, extrude boss base. This part's actually 2 inches thick, but I want to extrude it about the mid plane. So there's a basic outline of the part. I am going to add a hole in the part, so I'll sketch on this surface. Remember, Control 8 will put you into a perpendicular view. Put a hole in that. It's 1/2 inch diameter. And I'll locate it. Finish the sketch. Go to features, extrude cut. And want it to go all the way through, which the software's got. That's the dimension for the extrusion. If you need to, you could edit that. Okay, so the next part is to hollow this out. And what you're going to do is draw a sketch on this top surface. Now when you choose a surface, you're not just limited to the size of the surface, you're actually choosing the theoretical plane that that surface lies on. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll go to sketch, click on that surface, Control 8, and I'll use my rectangle tool to sketch a rectangle. Keep it inside the perimeter of the part here. Add some dimensions. Now we know that this is the walls and the bottom of this are all 1/4 inch. And again, we're looking for this inner rectangle to be black, not blue, and that'll tell us it's fully defined. Finish the sketch. And you can see what I have. So there's my sketch. What I'm showing you is that it exceeds the size of that rectangle. It's totally fine. And now we're going to use that to cut down through the part. So we'll go to features, extrude cut, and you see what's happening there is it's going to cut away all that material. Now I have to get this depth right, which in this case is going to be 2.25, so that'll leave the bottom also 1/4 inch thick. And there's my finished part. So it's a pretty easy way to generate a part like that.